So most local businesses do not have a lead problem. They have a follow-up problem. We're going to show you a beginner-friendly way to build an agency, and this is so simple. They run ads, they get website visitors, they get calls from Google, realtors get leads from realtor.com, dentists get implant inquiries, med spas, they get people asking about treatments. The phone rings, nobody answers. A form comes in, nobody follows up, or they follow up the next day. The lead asks a question and sits there. Then the lead goes to the competitor because they have a simple system that responds. And this AI system comes into play. It's so simple. You can start an AI agency by offering one simple system: AI follow-up appointment booking assistant that helps the businesses respond faster, qualify those leads, and get those booked. This is not a complicated system. This is not building some giant app. We're going to show you how to build your website, how to build the AI. This is a simple system for local businesses that understand this immediately. If someone calls and you miss it, this system follows up. If someone fills out a form, this system responds. If someone wants to book this system, then it sends them to your calendar. That's the offer, plain text. Depending on the niche, you can position this as a $3,000 to $1,000 a month service. Of course, there's no guarantees of any income here. But before we get going, just do me a favor, hit that like button, drop a comment below. I'll send you my free AI agency blueprint. That's all I ask. Also, in the description, we have an extended version that of the software that you can download now, start building clients, and then they start paying you. Okay, we're going to walk through this. We're on realtor.com, and there's just 4 easy steps. You just go, you build the chat widget, you pick your voice, and then you grab the code, and then you paste it into the website. It works with any website. Now, if they've got a high-level website, it works super simple. The other sites, it works super simple. You just copy and paste it into the header or footer. So same way you would do for Google, like if you're running Google ads or anything like that. It literally takes 2 minutes to do that. So we're going to go into realtor.com, and we want to go under find an agent here. We want to find a local agent, and we want to look at this. And here is the key. So we're going to search a city near us, and we'll just go with Nashville here. And what I want you to realize is how to find the good realtors. Like this guy up here, if you're in this area, you know that he's got every marketing tool, every technology. He advertises on billboards. He says he's got all the tech and everything. So you don't want to go after this guy. I'll show you how to find these. So Emily here has had 14 sales in the last 12 months. So she's doing fairly good. I mean, that's 1 sale a month. So if she's making $10,000 commission, her price range is 200 to 860. So I doubt if she's making 10 grand a month, but this is the way to look at them. We could look at this one. This one would be good. This particular one has 5 sales. This would be a really good one to go after because she doesn't have a lot of sales. But understand some of these don't have any sales because they got the realtor license and then they just decided not to do anything with it. But look for the lower numbers. So like this one in particular, this one 1.4 million. So he sold a big house. So 271 reviews. So you could look at some of those, but my picks on this would be this one. It would be this one. And let's just go to this and I'll show you what we're looking for. What we're looking for is a website. And sometimes realtor.com won't post their website unless they pay for it, but this one does have it. And it says that she's in Franklin. It's got her mobile number. So we could call her mobile number and offer this to her and just say, here would be my pitch. What if I could turn your website into a talking website, like a real agent responding to anybody that goes to your website? Because understand that lots of people get clicks. Like somebody will say, I've had 30,000 visitors to my website, but nobody's filled out a form. Nobody's called me. Nobody's done this. Because understand that people aren't even there for 3 seconds. So if they don't like what they see, they're just going to go off. And let's click on Emily's website. We'll use her as our sample today. So she's got a good website, but let's just understand that. And she has, do you have a question? Call, text. We're here to help. Now, our system, I like this because this is here. We can put ours right up in this top corner here, but all she has is a live chat that you got to fill out a form and answer basic questions. So you're not going to get anywhere with that. I don't want to type in my name. That's why people go off these websites. So I'm just going to close this silly chat widget out, and we're going to use her as our sample here. So as we scroll down here, she's got her listings here. This doesn't do a whole lot for me, but you could type in and look at what she has here. But better yet, if her market reports and all this actually talked, and if somebody asked what are places selling for in Nashville or this particular area of Franklin, it could answer those questions. That's what's so cool about it. So let's just, how to go in, how to find the realtors. And let me just show you one other thing. We have a plugin here that's going to make things a little bit easier for you. So you see all these in here, and we can keep scrolling and scrolling for 352 flipping pages here. So we have something called Instant Data Scraper. It's just a Google Chrome extension. It's free, and I didn't even get it open. And within seconds, it literally opened up all the listing agents on there. It's got their score of how many stars they have. It's got a lot of different information here. So how many reviews, how many sales in the last 12 months. So you could run down this super, super quick, like boom, 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 boom. Okay, I like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one in the last 12 months. And then you could just go and grab this CSV file or Excel file, pull it out, and start calling them and pitch it to them. So nobody's going to be offering this. I'm telling you, that's the thing. So you are one of the kind that's offering this. So let's go in and show you how to set this up real quick. Okay, hold on to your britches. This is going to go fast. So we're in our high-level software. Ours is called Sproutify. If you want to get ours, that's fine. But understand you need to scale this. So you need to use the link I have in the description to get that. And so we're in our dashboard. So we're going to go to sites here, and it's going to go quick. So make sure you've got your software and pause this and do it as I do it with you. So we're going to go to chat widget. We're going to go to new here, and we're going to select, we have options here. These were all our old options. These were good, and this was good. And now this is even better, voice AI. So we're going to call this our realtor. And I hate calling it a chat widget because it makes it sound cheap. And even though these chat widgets, like in this corner, were great, this is better. So you select styles here. You can select the chat prompt here, what we do is we have a GIF in here, a phone, so it flashes down in the right corner, see? And then watch this, because this is a cool feature. We'll change the color of it to match. We can customize the color to exactly what we want. And then we could say, like, hi, this is Emily's assistant. You can name these whatever you want. And of course, it helps to spell it right. Let's talk live now. So it says you want it to be described like descriptive, that, hey, this is the real deal. So the other thing is we want to go with a female. So we've got a selection here we can go with. And then don't worry about this, but here's the cool feature. I can move this around. Do we want it down over here on the left? We always put it in the top right because that's where the eyes go first. I used to own restaurants, and we always put our good items in the top right corner because we know that people's eyes on a website, on a menu, everywhere goes to the top right, even mid-section there. But in the lower section, this is where all the old chat widgets were and nobody really saw them. But now it's in the top right, so it stands out. It's really clear. And then we go to, this is kind of what it looks like. And forget what it says here, AJ. We're going to change that. So talk to us. I'm just going to say it like that. Talk to us now live. And then we don't need a, just say talk live, click here. And then what we'll do here is we don't have to worry about this. The language we want is US, but here's where we want to change this, and we want to put Emily's assistant or whatever. We could create a new agent here. We're just going to go with what we have already. We've got plenty of videos on how to create these agents. And we're just going to say Shelly's agent because that's what we have here. And then we'll put Emily here. Emily, and you can take out the word AI. I would recommend that. You don't want to give that idea that it is an AI. And then we say real estate agent. So however you want to name it, or assistant, something like that. And then all you got to do is save this and then get the code. And here's the code. We're just going to copy that and then get their website information, or just send it to their developer, which they usually have, and have them paste it into their website. Now, what's really cool about this, all these conversations, the full transcript will go to the client so they know what the AI agent said to the individual. So let's demo this and show you exactly how it works. And but let's first go over to a website here. We're going to go back into our websites. We're just going to grab, I don't even know if I've got a real estate website. We're just going to grab this marketing one here and as a demo. And then we're going to go into, this is how easy it is to do it in high level. We just go into the header tracking code and we paste it in, boom, just like that. We're going to add the chat widget to the one we just built called Realtor Widget 8 and save it. And now we're going to go over and demo it and see how it works. Okay, so we got the website open. This is just a demo website, but you can see it flashing up in the top right corner here. And if you click on it, it'll open up. And you could have it opened a little bit, but you don't want to impede their website. But you can see why I've got a flashing one, because it literally shows that, hey, I'm here, and you can even have it open after so many seconds of scrolling. So here we go. We can talk to a live agent. Let's see how it works. And we're going to,
Hey, you have reached Benchmark Realty. How can I help you today?
yeah, I was wondering how I go about listing my house.
Absolutely. I can help with that. Are you looking to schedule a consultation to discuss your home's value and the listing process? Or do
Yeah,
you have some questions you'd like answered first?
well, I do have some questions. I'm looking at Brentwood, Tennessee, and is there any Walmarts close to Brentwood, Tennessee?
Yes, there are several Walmart locations near Brentwood, Tennessee. The closest one is usually the Walmart Supercenter on Nolensville Pike in Nashville, which is just a short drive from Brentwood. There's also another Walmart Supercenter on Charlotte Pike and one in Franklin, both within reasonable distance. If you need the exact address or directions to the nearest Walmart, just let me know.
How about schools in Brentwood, Tennessee? What are the schools like?
Brentwood, Tennessee is known for having some of the top-rated public schools in the state. The area is served primarily by Williamson County Schools, which consistently receive high marks for
Okay, so you can see I asked it whatever question I want, and that's kind of scary smart. Like, this is the new age of what they call super intelligent AI. So you can literally ask it anything. I could have asked home values, the average price of a house, what can I list my house for? And you can see that this is a game changer. So let's talk about money and how this works as a side hustle. So if a business is paying for leads but not following up fast enough, they are leaking money, thousands. Most of these clients, these dental offices, spend $5,000 at a minimum a month. And that is the problem that you can solve. Start simple, learn one system, pick one niche, then reach out consistently. So that is it. So again, drop a comment, share this out, like this video. We'll get you that blueprint, and we're going to start a school group soon. So we're going to do live group training to help you build your business online.